So, it is that time of year when we should be really thinking about spraying horticulture oil on all of our fruit-bearing trees. So this can only happen for a couple more times, maybe this weekend or next weekend. And the reason we do it is because we want to make sure that there are no eggs or larvae or hidden things in all these ridiculous cracks and crevices of fruit trees. Now, I'm using the All Seasons Horticulture Spray Oil by Bonide, and you can always tell they're natural products because of this brown part of the label. So you just cover them up real good, and you want to make sure that you get them right about the time these things are budding out. This is the new fruit that's going to come out, and the blossom will be there, but you don't want to get it before that opens up, so cover it real well early.
Now there's another product from Bonide, it's called Bon Neem, and it's neem oil, which is a natural product. And again, we know it's natural because of the brown on the Bonide label. And so this is a great product because you can use it longer than a dormant plant. You could use it up to the day of harvest. So make sure that you do read all the packages when you are using any kind of a spray. And remember, you never want to spray any product when the flowers are open. We want to protect our pollinators.
So if you just take a few minutes of your time, you can ensure a really bountiful and beautiful harvest this year.